Hello everyone. Welcome to my channel HackWith36. So today topic is investigate Kali Linux. So let's start. First of all, open virtual machine. Now you see the Kali machine name. Then click on power on this virtual machine. It takes some time, so don't panic. Now type username and password of your Kali machine. After some time you see Kali windows where you can investigate and change the setting which you want. Here right-click the panel. Click panel and then plus add new items. You can add many items to the panel to help you to get to the tools and configurations that you use the most. After adding items, close the Add New Items windows. Right-click the panel. Click Panel and then click Panel Preferences. Here you can modify many settings to customize how the panel works and what it looks like. Additional panels can be added as well to accommodate more items. Investigate the settings and change the settings if you desire. Close both configuration windows when you are finished. The top right corner shows some settings and information such as network connection, audio, time and date, and the power button. You can add additional items to this area using the panel configuration if you wish. This is a good place to look for useful information. Familiarize yourself with the Kali Linux shell. The shell is the term used to refer to the command interpreter in Linux. Also known as the terminal, command line, or command prompt, the shell is a very powerful way to interact with a Linux computer. I use man command, short for manual, to obtain detailed documentation about commands. Example man ls. It provides documentation about ls command from the user manual. Command documentation. Open terminal. I use man command, short for manual, to obtain detailed documentation about commands. Type man ls, enter. It provides documentation about ls command from the user manual. The next command I use will man so. Type man, enter. Here you see the all information about man command. Type Q to exit the main page. Next command is uname. Type uname, enter. It shows operating system name. The next command is uname-a. Type uname-a, enter. It shows the detailed information about operating system. Now it's time to create and change directories. Type pwd, enter. The command will print the current working directories to the terminal. Then type ls, enter. It shows the list of files and folders. Then type ls-l, enter. Here you see the list of files and folders that are in the current working directory. The ls command stands for the list. The -l option displays the file size, permissions, ownership, date of creation and many more. Now let's go to the creation of new folders with the help of mkdir. mkdir Kali folder 1 Kali folder to enter. It creates the two folders in the current directory. You can also create one by one just like mkdir Kali folder 3. Now type ls-l to verify the folders have been created or not. Yes, you can see the 3 folders which I create. Now we use the cd command to enter in the Kali folder. Type cd Kali folder to enter. You are in the folder 2. So you create a file also, so I create a file with the help of touch command. So type touch file 1.txt, enter. Then type ls to verify the text file is created or not. So now if we want to write something in file, so we use nano command. Type nano file 1.txt, enter. The new interface will open. Here you write something like notebook in window. So write something like I write. Welcome to the member of HackWith36 family. After completion of right-click Ctrl+O, then click enter. The editing windows close. Here you can verify the text is written or not, so I use cat command. Type cat file 1.txt, enter. Here you see the text which you write is seen in terminal. Also you can edit the text with the help of the nano command. But I don't edit. So let's go to the new command which helps to delete files. Type rm file 1.txt, enter. rm helps to remove or delete files or directories. But for delete directories use rm-r, just like rm-r Kali folder 1, enter. The Kali folder 1 deletes, and also you can verify itself with the help of ls command. Just type ls, enter. Thank you everyone for this warm appreciation. Please like and subscribe my channel HackWith36.